Hi, my name is Shawana Stevens, and in collaboration with Appel Tutoring, I'm going to tell you how to start a business. Now, there are quite a few steps that you have to go through in order to start a business. First, you're going to come up with a unique name, one that is going to describe the product or the services that you're going to provide. Once you come up with that name, you're going to register your business with the Secretary of State. After you have registered your business with the Secretary of State, you're going to go to the IRS and get an IRS number or a tax ID number. That tax ID number is going to be your business's fingerprint for all of your business transactions. Now, after you have gotten a tax ID number, you want to make sure that you get licenses and permits for your local government. The next thing that many people forget about is going to all of the regulatory bodies that are pertaining to your business. So if you're going into the food industry and you want to start a restaurant, you're going to go to the regulatory body that is pertaining to restaurants. This regulatory body is going to make sure that you follow all of the rules that are pertaining to restaurants. Now, once you have done this, you're going to make sure that you start a business checking account. Now, you will not believe how many people go ahead and start a business and do not have a business checking account. You want to make sure that you do this so that your personal transactions are separate from your business transactions. As far as the IRS is concerned, they want to make sure that all the funds that are coming into your business are correctly being reported, and they want to make sure that there is no gray areas when it comes to business money. The next thing that you're going to do is make sure that you have insurance. You want to make sure that you have liability insurance, and you want to make sure that you have workers' comp insurance if you're going to have other employees working for your business. Now, things come up and accidents happen, so make sure you have insurance. Do not operate your business without insurance. Now, once you've done these things, you have a legitimate business. Okay, let's talk about 3 things that I think are very important to new businesses. 1, research. You will not believe how many people I talk to on a regular basis who are excited about a new business that they are starting, but they haven't done the right amount of research to actually be productive. It's important for new businesses to do the right amount of research as it relates to starting their business. You want to know about the individuals that's going to take advantage of your product or your service, and you want to make sure that you know about the area, your location in which you're starting your business. Those are 2 things that are important to the first portion of your business or the first implementation process as it relates to research. Second, you want to plan. You want to plan for how you're going to execute your business. You want to sit down and write a good plan. You want to think about all of the details pertaining to operating your business. This is extremely important. Not only are you wanting to plan for the beginning stages, but you also want to plan for the ending stages of your business, or 5, 10, 20 years from your start date. Thirdly, you want to think about resources, the funding for your business. Many times businesses fail because they do not take into consideration the fact that your business is not going to make money in the beginning. When you start a business, the money that comes into your business is not money that belongs to you. You don't want to have to live off of the business funding. You want to try to accumulate funding so that one day you're able to pay yourself through the business. It takes a great deal of discipline to be able to have funding for your business and sit it aside and not touch it because you're trying to grow your business. Now, I hope all of these tips or these things that I've brought to your attention today are helpful on your journey as you are trying to start a business. Starting a business is fun. Starting a business is stressful, but you want to take and absorb every obstacle, every situation, and all of the things that you encounter when you're starting your business. It takes a strong person to build a business, and it takes a strategic person to maintain it.